Motorola is in the news that it is planning to announce two new smartphones in China this month, which is the Moto X40 and Moto X40 Pro. Both of them will likely come packed with the same Snapdragon chipset, and the difference will be in the other departments. Like the Pro model is set to come with support for 125-watt fast charging support and AMOLED display. It could have a curved screen with a punch hole design and a triple rear camera setup, as per the leaks that we have seen so far. Now, the standard model, on the other hand, is set to come with an OLED panel that could operate on 1080p resolution and will refresh at 144 Hz. It could pack with a 5000 mAh battery with support for 68-watt fast charging tech. The back camera setup might include 250 megapixel main and ultra wide angle sensors, just like the Moto Edge Plus that we have seen. The company could replace the 2 megapixel sensor with a 12 megapixel camera for better imaging results, to get into the market as well, if the competitive side to see from Motorola side. Now, Moto X40 is set to arrive anytime this month. Motorola is yet to give any kind of confirmation on this, but a lot of has been already leaked about the upcoming Moto 5G phones. The brand will likely unveil it as Moto Edge 40 series in the global markets. Now, Moto X40 is also set to launch with up to 18 GB of RAM, which is pretty huge, but might not be used for many. But the device could be made available with up to 512 GB storage model. Both the models will likely to be coming up with IP68 rated for protection against water and dust. The upcoming Motorola 5G phones are expected to run on the latest Android 13 operating system, but out of the box. Qualcomm also just recently announced its latest top-notch Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 chipset, and several brands are now expected to launch new phones with this chip in the coming months. Lenovo's general manager of the mobile business arm has confirmed that the Moto X40 series will be powered by the same chip by sharing smartphones Antutu's core. Now, to talk about the Moto X40 Pro, which is expected to be the Motorola's next flagship smartphone, has leaked through new renders. The leaked renders suggested that the overall design of Motorola's upcoming flagship smartphone could be similar to its predecessor model, which is the Moto X30 Pro, except there would be a change in the rear camera module. This renders also have suggested that the purported flagship smartphone from Motorola may support the signature Moto logo at the back. Motorola's purported flagship series, which is also expected to include the vanilla Moto X40, was previously spotted on the China Compulsory Certification, the 3C, website database that suggested that the vanilla smartphone would also come with 68-watt fast charging support. However, to talk about the official confirmation, but there has been no official confirmation from Motorola on the design, specifications, price, and the launch timeline of the purported Moto X40 Pro and Moto Edge 40 Pro model smartphone as of yet. And so we expect that this news could come true very soon and in this month only. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.